Hello again, welcome back to On Track with Engaged Trains. Today I want to show you the changes that I've made and the up and coming changes that I'm doing. Right, the first thing, important thing is, let's move around here. Anyone that has watched any of my videos, they'll know I had a tunnel there. But every time the coach, the northern coach went through it bumping into the edges. And I couldn't move it forward because hopefully tomorrow I'm getting the scenery back in and sides on, so that's got to be a job to do that. I've got my nephew coming to help me with that. Yeah, I made a paper mache cliff and it looks quite good for my first ever cliff. Anything made out of paper mache, yeah, going back to the old days. But I'll show you that when I start decorating it, putting things on top. I've got a few foliage, trees, and figures to go on top. So I'll film some of that. Yeah, so that's a major change. Plus that part, I've ordered a pub, a country pub. So when it comes, hopefully it'll go in there, and I don't know what ground I'm putting on yet. It might be gravel, like the cottage that I made on the done up. There we are. So I might do the same where the pub is there. Yeah, I think that's it for that part. I've got a few other details. We've got picnic benches, and I've ordered 2 red British telephone boxes, so that can go there. The pine trees, I've put them there, ready for the side to go on. But that's a bit crooked. These haven't been glued down yet, so we can sort them out when we put them down properly. Other changes, right. I have grassed the middle because when I first started, I just put material down, green material. So I re-grassed all the dinosaur enclosure. Plus, took the cloth from underneath the station and I flocked that with the scatter grass, and I've made the planters. So them were made out of you know, the Smarty Sweets, in the tubes. I've just cut them and made the planters. I'm doing the same on that side. I've just painted it for now. Like I say, I can't do much on here because it's being a dining table. So I'm just using paint stuff that I can easily take off. But like I said in the other video, I won't be using this table again for a dining on. But yes, I'll need to grass this and stick some trees on this side. I haven't got the trees yet for this side. I was in town today, but I've forgotten to buy them. But yeah, I think that's basically it. But yeah, I've got a few things to add on. I've got the cliff to finish off and the backing, so hopefully we'll do that all tomorrow. But yes, I know it's only a fun one, Dinosaur Tours, but I think it has come a long way, and I've been learning a lot. Right, I wouldn't have never done that paper mache cliff, but yes, I'm happy with that. There we go. Yeah, a lot better than it was. Just have to take you up for another tour. Yeah, I think I'll be gravelling that and put the pub. I don't know if to put the pub on sideways or at the back, so I'll have to work that out when it comes. Well, the light's better in this kitchen today for some reason. Yeah, there we are. Right, I think that's it for now. I'll see you when I'm finishing off my paper mache cliff. Right, bye for now. Hello again. It's the next day because I had trouble sticking the figures on. I started. So last night I had to have a mix of PVA and water to see if I could harden the flocking, the scatter grass, because they just wouldn't stick at all. So yeah, it's the next day morning, so I want to get this finished before my nephew comes to do the scenery around the table. Yeah, this is me cliff I made. I'm really chuffed about it. First time doing anything like that. So yeah, I think it's turned out okay for the first one. But like I said, I'd wanted to get it done before my nephew comes, so I started sticking the figures on and the trees. But I've still got a few cows to go on. So I'll film sticking them on, and I might put some foliage on. I've got a box full of foliage. Yeah, if you can see it. There we are. So hopefully we'll get that done and let it dry a bit before my nephew comes in about an hour's time. Yeah, it's 9:30 now, so he said he'll be round about 10:30ish. So let's carry on with doing this, and I don't think I'll be filming putting the scenic edging on, because it'll be a lot of work. But we'll see what happens. But I will show you the end result. We're just sticking it on cardboard for now. Then hopefully it'll go around the edge of the table. I measured it out the other week, so it's hopefully I'm not looking forward to really, to tell you the truth, of putting this on, because it's got to be hard work, because the edge of the table is beveled. It's not a flat. It's not a flat. So it's like a beveled, not an edge on it. So I'm thinking of putting some cardboard underneath the table and stick it on the backboard and see if we can do it, something like that. So let's open this glue out. I'm using super glue for this. Right, let's see if we can do it. Or is it got to be a fail again? Well, like I said, I've got these on, but it did take about an hour just to get these figures on. What? Oh, I just knocked the camera there, sorry. What makes it worse, I haven't got steady hands. My hands shake like crazy. Right, let's see if we can stick this one down. Hold it for a bit. Right, that's down. Right, where shall we stick the how many have I got? I've got 3 left. So I think we'll stick one there. I should have put my glasses on. Right, this one's is lying down, so this should be. I think I'll have to stick my glasses on. I don't know. I can't tell. One thing with end scale and gauge, they're that small, aren't they? That looks okay. That right. 2 more to go. Right, where shall we? We'll stick one there. I think I'm running out of glue. Good job we got some more on standby. Right. My hands are not steady at all. Right, one more now. Where should I put this one where it's not too hard for shaky hands? Right. Shall we see if we can get one at the back of here? Yeah, I think I'm running out of glue. Yeah. Yeah, I'm enjoying this build, this Dinosaur Tours. Yeah, it's been good. Right, I think that's it for that. Yeah, it looks okay, doesn't it? Right, we'll put the glue away and we'll see and stick a little bit of foliage on. Yeah, I've done a little bit more to the layout last night. I just put some tufts of flowers on and I've grassed the other side of the edge, but I need some more pine trees, so I might nip into the shop sometime today and see if we can get some more pine trees to go on the edge. Right, what have we in the box? Don't want to put too much flowery on. Oh, they're much. We'll keep them out. Keep them ones. They're about the same, bit darker, aren't they? Oh, I think that might match up. Right, I think I might use them ones because, yeah, they looked more to blend in with the grass. Right. Oh, I found some trees. I didn't know I had them. Found some trees. Right, we'll see if these will stick down on this because it's still crumbly, bumpy. Right, we'll put them to one side. We'll move these. I'll see. I'll just put a couple on, see if they'll stick. Yeah. Sorry about the shadow. I'm just at the back of my living room window, so it's casting a shadow when I'm leaning over. So coming down with a cold. Don't want too many down because you can overdo it. Yeah, I think that'll do it. Like I said, I don't want to overdo it. But yeah, it has made a lot of difference. Yeah, like I said, I'm really chuffed about the first thing that I've modelled myself. Yeah, as I said, I've got the pictures. I didn't film making it, but I've took the photographs step by step. So if I remember, I'll slip the photographs off how I've done it. Like I say, it's just I've done the skeleton out of cardboard, and I filled it up with kitchen paper, and over the kitchen paper, I've just put newspaper over with PVA glue and water down PVA glue, and I put about 3 layers on. Yeah, 3 layers I think I put on, and then painted it. and I did the scattergrass. But like I say, you'll get an idea from the photographs that I put up. Right, I think that'll do for now until I'll get a bit, get some relaxing done before my nephew comes, and we'll start putting this edging on, the scenic edging. Right, thank you for watching. Right, as you can see, I've done the cliff. It's in the corner there with the backing, scenic backing. I always get that word mixed up, don't I? Yeah, so I'll show you around what I've done. It's not professional, it's just placed the scenery is just placed on a bit of cardboard. So it looks better. There we are. Yeah, it was very hard. It took us, me and my nephew, about 2 hours to put this backing up. But yes, it looks a lot better now. Oh, I went to the shop and bought some more trees for that, for over here. So let's get the bag out. I haven't glued them on or nothing yet, but yeah, it's just the same what I've done on the other side. These, so they'll go on the back of there. But I'm thinking of getting some more trees to go on the back over here. On the back here. That if I'll have to test the coaches, see if they'll pass without knocking them. So if they knock them, I'm in trouble, aren't I? So shall we get a train going? Hey, see if it'll knock that one down. Just need to plug it in. Yeah, I've got about seven of them, so we'll have a, let's see what happens here. I can't remember if I turned the points over. Have I turned the points over? I can't remember. No. Right, I'll just turn the points. That should. It's a bit like a puzzle this. When it gets to 10 points, I'll have to stop it. Can you turn this around? Flick them back over. Yeah, I might do a puzzle with this set off. Right. We'll back that up round there. There we go. Now we're looking out for that tree, so let's see if it hits it, so I know. There we go. Yeah, it's knocked it. So I don't know, yeah, it's knocked it down, so looks like I won't be putting anything at the back. Right, I'll back that up. Let me back this back up. That's it. Then we'll, yeah, well, when I started this setup, it's only a starter setup, and I weren't expecting putting anything like this on it. But anyone who seen videos or photos what I put in some of the groups on Facebook, they'll know I just started with the cloth material, and yeah, so that's why there's a lot of room out the back. So right, we tested that out, so that will have to stay blank for now. So before it gets too late, I'll be starting gluing these down. But I think there should be enough room to put, can you see, yeah, put them at the back. So shall we see if we can test that? Right. Oh, it's knocked it a bit. Right, I'll flip them over again. Oh, I can't get to the points. Yeah, it's knocking it a bit. Right. Yeah. Might be struggling here to put. Oh, that's left a. I've just moved it. Right, I won't be using super glue now. I must just be using the. I've got this labelled the Scenic tacky glue. So if we have problems, I can take it back off again. Right. I think this could be the end of this video for now. Until I start sticking them trees down there. I've got 2 parcels and all delivered today, so I might do an unboxing and see what I've got and what I've ordered now. I think I've ordered a pub. The pub is going there that I mentioned, and I've ordered some the red telephone boxes. So yes, when I start these trees, I might film it so I can watch if I make a disaster. Right. I'll see you after. Right, I've just glued the trees down. I was going to film it, putting them down, but I thought I might have been too long, but it didn't take all that long. So I'll just wait for the glue to set now. But yeah, I've tested the coaches and they seem to pass them okay. Yeah, looks like there's no problems there. Right, we'll put this back. Right, turn the switch. Then we can add this one back on now, I hope. That other train's got to reach the points before, right, we don't want two trains going on them points. Oh, can we get there in time? It's almost at the end. Right, one more turn on the switch and that should do it. Right, back this loco up. Now this should yeah, that'll do. That'll do. Right. Oh, before I go, yeah, I went to the shop today, bought the trees, what they showed you, putting them, and I came across that in the what do you call it? The budget box. Don't know if you can see there, motorcycle rider. So I'll probably end up putting that somewhere on the road. Or I might just park it where the country pub go. Once I've done the car park, but I might just park it in there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I'm not a professional yet in model railways, but I am in fun. And if you like fun, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. Right, I'll see you all on the next video. Bye for now.